In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartframe on a WordPress.com website. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress site with dynamic and customizable content, Smartframe can be a great tool. It allows you to embed interactive and responsive frames seamlessly, giving your website a more professional and engaging look. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a business site, this tutorial will walk you through the setup process step by step, so you can integrate Smartframe with ease. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a WordPress.com account, you'll need one to follow along. You can use the link in the description below to sign up if you're new to WordPress. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll notice several authentication options. For this tutorial, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This method makes the login process quicker and more secure by linking your Google account to your WordPress site. Once you click on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your WordPress website. Select the correct account, and after signing in, you'll be directed straight to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. It's a convenient area that gives you direct access to commonly used tools and features. Find the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. Now, if you manage multiple websites under your WordPress account, you'll see a list of them displayed. Select the specific website you want to work on by clicking its name. Once you're in the site editor, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. This is your gateway to adding new features to your site. Click on the plus icon to open the block library. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Smartframe. Be sure to double-check your spelling here, as any typos might prevent the correct option from showing up. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just take another look to ensure everything is typed correctly. When the Smartframe integration appears in the list of options, click on it. This will add the Smartframe block to your site. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a URL. This URL is essential for connecting the Smartframe tool to your WordPress account. Make sure you have the correct URL ready, input it when prompted, and then click the Embed button. By doing this, you're ensuring that Smartframe is properly linked and ready to function as part of your website. Once you've embedded the Smartframe, it's time to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the site editor and click the Save button. This step is crucial because it ensures that all of your updates are stored permanently and your Smartframe integration is successfully applied to your site. And there you have it. We've just walked through the entire process of integrating Smartframe into your WordPress.com website, from logging in and navigating your dashboard to embedding the feature and saving your work. You're now equipped with the knowledge to enhance your site with Smartframe. If you have any questions or run into issues during the process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.